So you have 3 months to go from $0 to $5,000 per month. What would you do? In this video, I will show you exactly what I would do to reach $5,000 per month. And I can show you some proof that this actually works. So if we go to my Upwork account and I can refresh my screen, I have $2,600 pending. And the last payout was $2,900 for this month. If we scroll down, this was the bank withdrawal on October. I withdraw $2,900. So you can generate more than $5,000 just by using Upwork. And I can show you the process step by step how you can get there. So these are your options, what you could do to reach $5,000 per month. You can do a TikTok affiliate, you can do Shopify dropshipping, you can build an Instagram page and then sell digital products, you can start Upwork freelance or build Upwork agency, and you can do YouTube automation. So these are the most popular ways to make money online. What I have chosen is Upwork agency. And yeah, I can tell you why, because TikTok affiliate, that's, it really depends on the platform. It's going to take time to grow the account, so you will not make it within 3 months if you don't know what you're doing, so it's going to take you way longer. For Shopify dropshipping, it's going to require a budget to spend on ads, or if you choose to do organic way, then you have to be really good at filming the videos and, creating the content in-house. Instagram digital products, that's also very time consuming because you have to grow the audience and to build trust and to create content on daily basis. With Upwork freelance is also, it's not that scalable because you are selling your hours and you have to increase the hourly rate. So you're gonna struggle with this because you will be busy all the time. There is a cap with this. But Upwork agency, you can outsource, things. So it is way more scalable, and you don't have to have the experience for any type of project that you take on, because your members will have the experience. So you have the possibility to choose any type of projects, any type of niche, and build a team around it, and then you can scale as much as you want. So this is what I did. I built Upwork agency. I would not do YouTube automation because that also comes with building an audience and creating a lot of videos. And you are also depending on the platform. If your videos goes viral or not, you don't really know that, so it's not very stable. So let me show you what is the offer and what I would not do. So I would not do lead generation. I would not do media buying, graphic design, copywriting, or even building websites, because these type of services, they are usually one-time projects. Let's say graphic design, that's usually one-time projects. Media buying and lead generation, so they are recurring, but they are more difficult to find high-quality clients that they will have the budget for your services, that they will have the way to convert the leads and things like that. Then you would have to train the clients and things like that. So it's more complicated. In terms of copywriting, ChatGPT, I think will replace this position very soon. So copywriting is not as in the demand as it was before. So what I would do, and what I did in my case, actually, I built a content agency. What services I provide is video editing and social media management. So we don't manage ads, we just work with organic content, and video editing is the main service that we sell. So under video editing, there are different categories that you can specialize and separate yourself from every competitor, because when you specialize, then you can have higher rates and the client knows what you can do very well for them, right? So there is a couple categories. You can do videos for personal branding. Let me show you. So personal branding videos would look something like this. That is a talking head video. The other way for personal branding is videos with B-rolls. So for example, there is a compilation of a lot of B-rolls and just the text on screen. So we don't edit videos like this because the structure of editing these type of videos is totally different. There is not much editing, so the client doesn't see the value in these type of videos. So for example, they will not pay like $50 for this type of edit because that's too simple. And the process is different for these type of videos because you have to research the trending music and you have to hop on the trend very quickly. So that's a different category of personal branding. Where the money is in the talking head videos like this, because you have the story to tell. So the client already recorded a video talking in front of the camera. There is more work involved into editing these type of videos. Now there is another category, faceless accounts, and then e-commerce. So I would not do faceless actually on Upwork specifically, because faceless, they usually need to post a lot of content on daily basis. So they need to post like 2 to 3 videos per day, which comes to 60 to 90 videos per month. And this is gonna be extremely difficult to deliver. Like if you have multiple clients and you need to deliver 90 videos for every client. The other thing is that they usually don't have a budget. They are, they want to pay like $5 per video at maximum. And they are not giving you any assets for editing their videos. So they're just gonna tell you that, we need videos, and that's it. That means you have to come up with the story, you need a script writer, you need to find the content, to make it engaging and things like that. So it's just not the niche that I would go to. I would do e-commerce or I would do personal branding, but I would specialize in one of them. So in my case, I have chosen personal branding. So we do video editing for personal brands. We do just video editing for talking head videos. And then we also do social media management. So that's posting the content, giving content ideas for the clients, and helping them with marketing strategy, basically. So, okay, once you have the offer, you know what you will be providing, then you need to set up the systems. So you need a Trello board, you need a Slack channel, then a Google Drive folder, and set up your Upwork profile. That's the next step. So the Trello is free. I can show you the process. So for example, you have the tables like this: to do, in progress, revisions, then internal review, ready to send, customer review, and done. So this way you can manage the work and you can manage multiple clients at the same time. So once you get a new order, you just add a new card for your team member and they know what to work on. So you need to set up this before hiring your team members, right? So that's the first thing. Then Slack channel, this will be for the team chat. So your team members will not be on Upwork. So you do need to have a chat to communicate with your team. So the Slack is free. Then Google Drive, you need to have a place where you're gonna add, content that client sends to you. So Google Drive is the place. Then Upwork, this is where you will be getting the clients from, because there's a lot of new job posts coming on daily basis. So the money is it's just a hanging fruit. You just need to do the outreach, and you will start landing the clients. Before you do the outreach, you need to set up your portfolio. So to do that, if you don't have an experience, then you need to hire people, right? So at the first place, we started with building the agency. That was the decision. So what you need to do is you need to find people. So you can find people on Online Jobs PH or on Discord group. Online Jobs PH is a better option, but it costs $70. You can do that, if you have the budget, so just pay for 1 month. Post free job post on that one for video editor, for graphic designer, and social media manager. You will start getting the applicants, and then you can pick 1 person or 2 people that you want to invite into your agency. And then Discord group, so this is an alternative that is free, but usually this will have higher rates. They will not have as good pricing as you can find people on Online Jobs PH. The second thing is you need samples, right, for the portfolio. So that means you will have the people already on your team, and you just need to communicate with them and ask them what previous work they can share with you that you can show for potential clients. So this is the way around, about everything. So if you don't have an experience, you hire people and then you ask them to create samples together, or to ask them to share their previous examples with you that you can show for the clients. So once you have that, then you go to Canva. Canva is free as well. And you create slides to show what you can do for the clients. And once you have that, I actually have a video on this. I think I have, right here. So if you go to my YouTube channel, Gintaras Cooker right here, and then you go to portfolio tutorial right here. So you can see I went through a couple examples how you can structure the portfolio for your agency. So you can see the examples right here. Regarding the outreach, so you need to apply it to 20 jobs per day and only take on fixed rate projects. So if you go to Upwork, you start by writing, for example, shorts, and then need expert short video editors. You see, video editor needed, and so on. So you just need to find good jobs that you can apply to, because there's a lot of jobs. There's a lot, like Instagram, TikTok, short form video editor from United Kingdom. They have the budget $15 to $25 per hour. So you see, this is the hanging fruit. So a lot of people need this service. So you just need to apply to their jobs and you will start landing the clients. There is no doubt about this. But you need to apply to at least 20 jobs per day and to do that consistently. So remember our goal. We want to hit $5,000 per month. So you need to really be dedicated for this. So just do that and you will start seeing the results. And then once you land the clients, you need to build the relationships with them. So that means have a call with the client, go through the ideas together, discuss, what you can do for them. And you have to view this as a partnership, but not me versus you. You are not enemies. You have to be working on the same goal together. So that means you're giving them ideas, and asking for the feedback. So should we try that? Maybe we can do this or do something else, So you can help them to create better content and to get more views and to grow their accounts. And then you also want to update the progress frequently, and this will result in getting good reviews from the clients. So yeah, if you go through all of this, you will be able to reach $5,000 per month, no doubt about that. So if you need more help regarding this structure and everything, then check the link in my description. I have created a Skool community where I will be teaching this method. It is a paid Skool community. It is $49 per month. And yeah, if you are ready, then join and see you inside. Thank you for watching.